our continuous supporter, and Prasad, you have been continuously very dedicated to make this channel excellent. And both of your outcomes were really nice. Thanks for all your reviews, times, and energy. And I really thankful and appreciate for that. Okay, now we have done with all our four panels, starting with product agility, with Hiran's choice architecture, a new framework, and product manifesto, right? And Deepti's Change Agent Summit experiment, how agile transformations happen in India, and with people agility stuff, no, four wonderful papers. Each comes with its own set of outcomes, right? And want to quickly mention each one of your efforts, which is no worth noting here. And I no humble agile. It's going to be a brand. It's going to be quite going grow big in upcoming years. You can expect multiple things like a book from that, yeah. And then and I'm just foreseeing multiple people start speaking about the humble agile, because which is something which is not being conceptual. People know that this is missing, but they doesn't know how to make it as a capsule, and that is what she has done. Okay, so
I'm expecting a movie.
I'm there to write the script. I'm there to write the script.
And you
see, I will direct it, no problem.
And the much awaited topic from Girish on COVID-19 era, because like in every training nowadays asking how can I maintain this, and I used to say please wait for, because I don't have an answer, because I have not done research. Girish has done that, so wait for his outcomes was my answer. And excellent heart touching no psychological stuff from Anand and Sunita. I didn't expect this results, to be frank, and it was so insightful, soulful, not insightful. It was soulful, touching not only agile corporation organizations but also parents, kids, and their psychological factors. And this is also going to grow big. There is a lot of no. It is it. Shrutis is like a seed, okay, but Sri Anand is like a rocket. It is just waiting to lift both Anand and Sunita stuff. So expect something big from that. Transformation learning from agility, Sajana. I really love your know the way you proceeded your research without much no pressure on making it success, right? So this is what we are doing, and this is the outcome we are getting, and there is a future scope of work and how it really works and what are all the factors. Really, you pointed out on the commitment stuff, right? So these were really it was main takeaway for me too. Okay. And Bharat, Magesh, sorry to Magesh, agnostic framework was something there for my mind for quite some time. Thanks, Magesh, for enabling me to work with you and make it actually bringing it to a paper format. I really thank you. Or else I could have, I would be always no. So you have brought me inside. And thanks, Bharat. People will start to.
Voice is breaking, Padma. No, we can't hear you. No. Padma, we can't hear you.
No, we can't hear you, Padma.
बेचारा भरत के पास आके रुक गया तुम्हारा थैंक यू sorry Bharat, you will hear it again, okay? Padma, you have some more time, please come back.
Asking Nazar to proceed with the closing note.
All right.
Okay, I want to thank Bharat on behalf of Padma. And a lot of practical difficulties every tester is facing. You have touched base on that. And I can see Nazat and other testers who have been in that journey with a lot of smiles and, getting into a new kind of a mind frame where they are seeing some hope, like, one day a tester will also enjoy the, privileges of a developer. So Yeah, thanks for that insightful research, Bharat.
Thanks, Nagini. And thanks for all the comments. Sorry, I was been sharing my screen. I'm not able to listen to the comments then and there. So just thanks for just now I seen all the comments. Thanks for the things.
Azat, all yours for the closing note.
Sure. Thank you so much. And thanks, Nagini, to filling in for Padma. As we draw towards the end of the conference, it is time to acknowledge the effort which has gone into bringing this conference to each one of you right at your home. First of all, thanks to Almighty God who has kept us all safe during these turbulent times and enabled us to conduct and attend the ERA conference. A big thank you to Shane Hasty for gracing the event and sharing some great insights with us. Some learnings simply remain with us. I'm sure we will all agree with the metaphor of the garden. And when we go back to our teams, we will try to create the right environment for them to help them realize their true potential. We will always remember that it is creative people we are dealing with and not repetitive, hardwired machines. Thanks, Shane, for reiterating this. Really appreciate the perseverance with which Padma Priya, the brain behind the ERA conference, went about over the last 6 months, executing it in a true agile style. I will not go gaga about Padma and save her the embarrassment. And as she has given us clear instructions not to speak much about her. I don't want her to feel like Sachin Tendulkar during the 2007 T20 World Cup. But still, thanks anyways, Padma. Now the teams who worked really hard on the ground, first the mentors, the chairpersons and the discussants. Thank you for enabling the researchers to think. Thank you for sharing your experience, reviewing their work, and giving your feedback. Thank you, Nagini. Your enthusiasm is so infectious. Kamal, Harihara, and special thanks to Vanati, who despite coming from a non-agile world has helped her team to present such insightful papers. Appreciate Fanindra, Anbu, and Prasad for all their effort towards making the event happen. A huge shout out for the researchers themselves. Their toil and hard work will forever be recorded in their papers. You deserve every bit of it. Deepti, Kiran, Shruti, Girish, Sri Anand, Sunita, Sajana, Mahesh, and Bharat. Phenomenal effort, very insightful papers, brilliant presentations. My note would be incomplete without appreciating the amazing audience that you've been. Folks, it's a weekend, that too both Saturday and Sunday evenings. You decided to dedicate it to learning, becoming better professionals, better individuals, which is in itself a feat. Thank you so much for the enthusiastic participation, which made learning happen both ways. Don't we all acknowledge that except for this small little technical glitch that Padma faced now, that the conference went through without any difficulties at all on the technical front. Thanks to Bharati, the technical backbone of the event. He's that behind the curtains, behind the scenes person who has churned out posters, pamphlets, emails, etc., which have kept us all informed about the conference. In fact, this slide that you just see right now was built in about 30 minutes ago. I just gave him the requirements after today's session began. So he's been so agile and nimble and responsive. We would require your feedback about the conference to help us improve further. There is a link shared on the slide. Yeah, there's a link. There's a form. And we will soon find the papers from the conference on IJTRD. Videos will be uploaded on the YouTube channel of Agile Bodhi for your reference. We all agree that Agile is a journey. It's a journey. So is our learning. We look forward to see you again next year. Shane has already given us the theme of business agility. You can get in touch with the contacts listed in the slide in the form for registration, for submission of your papers, any clarifications that you need. You can please get in touch with one of the contacts that is mentioned on those forums. So together, let's build an agile society, an agile nation, an agile world. Thank you once again, and God bless.
Last but not the least, Nazhat, you have been an excellent discussant and support for the people panel 1, and you couldn't mention yourself in the list, okay? And I would request these channel and these links to be shared over an email to all the participants so that they will have it recorded and they can utilize it until they are open.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Thank
And
you, Nazhat. We will share.
yeah, the pleasure is all mine. The pleasure is all mine. Thank you.
Right.
We can't hear you.
Can't hear
We
you.
can't hear
Maybe you can just
you. So you shout, Padma, we can hear. You can shout and we can hear.
maybe you can chat. You can just type it in the chat. Whatever.
No, let her shout out of energy and I know all the energy she's got.
Anyway,
After
yeah.
successfully
conference
completing
chair.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, great day, great ending.
Yeah, anyways, the last slot for the day is for networking. Let's stay back and connect with each other, folks. And Padma,
Yeah. Whoa.
he came back with a bang.
We have to notice. Just a minute.
That's a Basha effect from Padma.
Yeah, ending, right? Climax, right? It should be very effective, right?
Yeah. Like Rajini
Okay,
says.
just to give a filler, Nazar has been really helpful for me. Whenever I need a content, I just ping her. And every email marketing which we did for more than some hundreds, it was developed by Nazar, and she was always supportive right from the start. And for everyone, I don't know where to start. Should I start with the wind and the rain, which gave an intermediate break for us to conduct this conference? Because even on Thursday, Nagni pinged me, should we conduct this week or should we have a contingency plan to postpone it? And I somehow believed nature that it will allow us to do in the planned way. And right from the nature to every one of us, the participants and researchers, the prime idea of this era conference is that the agile should grow in the right way, not just with advertisement, not just with promises, not just that someone is marketing. It should go on realistic way, like physics has grown throughout the centuries. So that's the core, and I encourage each one of us to keep the same zeal, simplicity, humbleness. I can see that humbleness from each one of the presenters. And with this simplicity and humbleness, let's take further. So what's the next plan, next course of plan for this conferences? Um, I, no, again, my heart says, give a wholesome thanks for the ones who has provided you the support for this first year. With this support and encouragement from all of you, we will going to take this to all the universities and colleges throughout the world next year. And yeah, so apart from the organizations, we are going to do that. So promisingly, what I feel is, those who are having some ideas on your mind to do some research with the influences you have got from Kiran, Anand, and every one of us here in the group, right? Shruti and everyone. If you are having a next course of action, the next phase of research, please enroll immediately. All we need is a commitment of doing things whenever you find time, like what we have done in this last 6 months. So next course of action is, think of what your next plan for research and enroll it immediately. Because I very well remember the first meeting we had and how it has gone to this level. And next year will be still more extensive. I believe it will not be not just 2 days, it will be probably 4 days of conference. Yeah, so that's what I'm just forecasting, with inclusion of all the academic, because they are the one who will do no, apart from that, that is out of box research than us. So let's keep the space. This is not the end. Let's continue, as Nazar said, it's a journey. This is just the first bus stop we have reached, and we'll go to the next stop continuously. Thank you so much. Thanks for all your support, and I'm really humbled by all the responses we have received in the chat window. Not even one negative or a negative feedback which we have received. Seamlessly, everything has helped us throughout the conference. Thank you so much.
Padma, can you share the link again, please? Feedback link here on chat.
Also, maybe we could take a picture. Just saying.
I was supposed to think the same, Shruti.
Mahesh, Anbu, and everybody else, in fact. Kiran,
Yeah.
Funny,
Funny.
just for like a minute or so. Could you take off your bands for Mr. India? Awesome. Bharti, you'll be taking the picture? Okay, okay, I get the gesture. Okay.
So I get to see Bharti, whom I have troubled so much. Hi, Bharti.
Super. I think he says it's done. Bharti, done?
Yes. Thank you, Ashwini. Thanks for coming on video to take a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. So with this, can we conclude this any other comments or reports or feedbacks? If you have some vocal feedbacks right now, can you just provide immediately, or if there is none, then we can conclude.
A massive heartfelt thank you to each and everyone who's on this call. I don't know, maybe I speak for everybody, but a massive thank you. I feel from the bottom of my heart that this is one of the best groups I've been a part of, and I want to be a part of everyone in the future. Thank you.
Thanks all. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, team.
Thank
you
you.
all.
Thank you. Thanks all.
Thank you very
It's been a
much.
great journey. Thank you.
Thanks.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy Sunday.
Yeah. Bye.
Whatever's remaining of Sunday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
I would say great week ahead.
Yeah.
Yes.
So full of knowledge now. Go and
Yeah.
use it for
Conquer the world.
yeah. Good. Thank you. Have a great
Thanks.
day.
Bye-bye.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.